Wonderlande has been a reliable partner for future-proof logistic process automation in the Middle East for more than 30 years. As such, we are a leading provider for life cycle services in the region for Oman airports. This includes operations, maintenance, IT and controls at Muscat and Salalah International Airport.
We are also maintaining passenger boarding bridges in these airports as well as Duqm Airport.
Because of the new system in Oman, in Salalah and Muscat Airport, and we didn't have the likely experienced people to doing this service, so we get in contract with Wonderlande to doing this service. If we speaking about the Wonderlande service, and we was a strong partner and more than 10 years, and 2 or 3 times we renew for them because of the background was excellent, quality of the system, experience of the staff, and we are so happy to continue in the future with them.
We employ more than 100 experienced professionals across Sultanate of Oman to deliver the high standards of service for which we are renowned. We take pride in our work, and Wonderlande is always ready to go the extra mile.
Wonderlande, moving your business forward.